of CRI pumps, we introduce the digital capacitor box, a state-of-the-art technology with cutting-edge compact design that will protect the pump from various problems and increase the lifespan of the pump. An easy-to-install and easy-to-operate digital capacitor box that is best suitable for all single-phase submersible pumps. Features: protects from dry run, overload, high and low voltage, bright LED display, auto manual options, compact design, it increases motor life. Digital capacitor box has the following functional keys and indications: voltage display, amps display, off button in red, on button in green, reset button, red LED light, green LED light to indicate that the pump is switched on. Error: no data shown while operating the digital capacitor box. If the display unit goes blank, don't panic. Check the input power supply to the capacitor box or the digital unit's P&N 4-way connector. Correct it in case if there is any loose connection. While operating the digital capacitor box, if it displays the error FOL, it is the overload trip. Check the motor rated current MRC at digital units by long pressing the reset button. If the MRC value is lesser than the motor rated current value, adjust the desired MRC value through the known provision on the rear side of the digital unit based on the field condition. Further, if it keeps tripping, check the amps with the calibrated clamp meter if there is any value variation occurring. In that case, replace the digital unit. Plus or minus 0.2 amps is acceptable. Check and ensure the free rotation of the pump set. While operating the digital capacitor box, if it displays the error FDR, it is a fault. Dry run. The dry run fault happens if there is insufficient water in the bowel or wrong selection or low yield. In that case, check the model of the bowel and install the suitable pumps, or else check the dry run value in digital units while switching on the power supply and adjust the dry run setting based on field condition. To set the desired dry run setting percentage, keep the reset button pressed and switched on. To set the desired dry run setting percentage, company default setting will be 70%. It's shown as 7. While operating the digital capacitor box, if it displays the error FHU, it's a fault. High voltage tripping. Check the input voltage and correct it. If the voltage is about 275 volts, it is not advisable to run the pump set. Check the supply voltage and running voltage with the calibrated clamp meter. If any faulty variation is found, replace it. If the display unit's showing voltage data, it could be the low voltage data. Check the input voltage and correct it. If the voltage is low, it is not advisable to run the pump set. If there are any other faults, don't panic. You can bypass it manually and continue to operate it. Kindly take the digital capacitor box to the nearest CRI authorized service center. Else, contact CRI toll-free number 1800 121 1243.